Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Peter Olwach. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I guide people on the best ways to be rich. I guide people on the easiest ways to become a millionaire. Today's topic is this: what is the easiest way to become a millionaire? I've discovered one thing. The easiest way to become a millionaire is to open an account where you will be keeping that money every day. So get engaged. Whatever business you are doing, whether you are in a matatu business, whether you are selling mangoes, whether you are in cryptocurrency business, whether you are in forex, whether you are selling omena or selling fish, whatever business you are doing, get money every day, make money every day, and save some money every day. Peter Olwach, for example, I'm in the business of cryptocurrency. I buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, buy sushi, sell sushi, buy Ethereum, sell Ethereum, buy mantra, sell mantra, buy GMT, sell GMT, buy many coins, buy Santos, sell Santos, buy Lazio, sell Lazio. I buy JTO, sell JTO. So the goal is to buy low and sell high. And the goal is to make some profits. So the goal for me is to make some 3,000 shillings every day. The goal for me is to make 3,000 shillings every day. Every day I'm buying crypto. Every day I'm selling crypto. The goal for me is to make 3,000 shillings every day. 3,000 shillings every day. This is the goal. To make 3,000 shillings every day. 3,000. This is the goal for me. To make 3,000 shillings every day. Now, if you make 3,000 shillings every day, times 365 days, that is 1 million shillings. So how do you get 1 million shillings? Very easy. Every day in the business you are doing, just make 3,000 shillings. Every day make 3,000 shillings and save that money. Remove your profits and save that money. Whether you are saving it in a bank, save it in a bank. Whether you are saving it in a circle, save it in a circle. But every day, save that money. So if you can save every day 3,000 shillings, times 365 days, in a year you have 1 million shillings. If you repeat that for 30 years, you will have 30 million shillings. You will retire very rich. The problem with many of us is we think we are too young. Retirement is too far away. My friend, start early. If you don't know how to make 3,000 shillings, call me. My number is 0720969361. Send me a WhatsApp. My number is 0720969361. I will guide you on cryptocurrency. I will guide you on stock market. I will guide you on forex. I will help you make 3,000 shillings every single day. Make 3,000 shillings every single day. Repeat times 365 days. Make 1 million shillings in 1 year. Thank you so much. God bless you, and share this video with your friends.